Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Grace. For those of you that don't know and that are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. You can start by hitting that subscribe button down below. I would really appreciate if you guys did. So for today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I style my natural hair part 2. Now I already did a video already, and it's live on my channel, so you all can check it out. Now this is the second way. It is another way that I styled my natural hair, and I'm going to have more videos coming up with no extensions, you guys, because I really love styling my hair without any extensions. So, and I would love to show you guys how I do that. So I'm going to show you all another way that I style my natural hair using no extensions. So if you guys want to see more, please continue to watch this video. So I'm going to begin by sectioning off my hair into sections. You know, that's the way that I want each piece of my hair to fall, each piece of my hair to lay. I'm going to start by doing it in sections first, and we're going to begin with the front. And to give the hair, you know, a little more flavor, you know, I love giving my styles a little more flavor, I'm gonna like part 2 braid on each side of my hair. So you all can continue to watch this video. You all will know what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna part another section to the front, and I'm gonna begin to show you guys how I do the braid for this section of my hair. And you guys, if you want to see more natural hair tutorials with no extensions, this is the channel for you guys. So don't forget to hit me up in the comments and let me know if you want to see more natural hair tutorials without no extensions from me. I will love if you guys comment down below and let me know, so we can, you know, talk, and you know that we all can get to know each other. So it will be great if I get to know you guys and, you know, get to know what you all like. So we're gonna start by parting my hair down to the side, that is section that I just did, as you all just saw. And we're gonna use my eco styler. Now if you guys know me and you watch and you're a regular and you watch any of my videos, you already know I love my eco styler. So I'm gonna do my braid all the way to the top from the side of my hair, and when I reach the other section of my hair, I'm going to be doing the same type of braid on that section as well. So now that the braid is all done, so as you guys just saw, I deliberately left out, you know, the piece of hair by my ear, because I didn't want my braid to be too tight. I wanted that piece of hair to do when I'm ready to do my edges. And as you all just saw, I used my spray bottle. Now I just added some water. The spray bottle doesn't have anything else in it but water, so I'm just going to use that, you know, to get my hair a little more softer, a little more easier to put up in my ponytail, as you all can see. And I'm going to be using my blow dryer brush as well to get my hair high up in the ponytail, you know, the way that I want my hair to go. Now this brush, you guys, helps me out a lot, so it's one of my go-to brushes as well. And I'm gonna use my shine and jam. I love my shine and jam as well, so it gets my hair really nice and smooth, really nice and sleek. So for the style, we're gonna start by brushing our hair. You know, I'm gonna start by brushing my hair, you know, to the high ponytail that I want. And as I brush my hair, as you all can see, I'm gonna be adding the braids into my ponytail as well. So guys, I have a question for you all. I really don't know what type of hair I have. What is my hair type? I don't know if it's for B, if it's for C, if you guys help me out here. You can comment down below also and let me know what type of hair patterns or hair type that I have. I would appreciate to get you guys feedback on what type of hair patterns that I have also. So for the top section of my hair, we're going to be doing like, I'm going to bring in my curls a little bit, so I'm going to be adding my eco styler to get my curls popping at the top. So for it not to be in this type of natural state, I'm going to be adding my eco styler to get my curls, get the top of my hair a little softer, because it's a no extensions tutorial, so we don't want no type of extensions at all in this tutorial. So for the top section, I'm going to be adding my eco styler to kind of define my curls, and I'm going to pass my fingers through my hair to make sure that the curls are defined. Now when I do this way, it kind of makes my curls pop. So I'm going to continue to do the top section of my hair, and I'm going to let it dry as well, because when my hair is dry it tends to show the curl pattern better. So I'm going to continue to do the top, and I'm going to come back and we're going to do the front. So we're at the front section of my hair now, and for the front we're basically going to be doing what we did to the back. I'm going to define the front of my hair, make sure that my curls are popping. So I'm basically going to do the same type of strategy that I did to the back of my hair. And as you all can see, the back is still wet, so the curls hasn't come in as yet. So while we're doing the front of my hair, the curls are going to start to come in at the back section, and basically we are doing the same thing that we did to the back. I'm going to add my eco styler using my brush, making sure that my curls are defined, and I'm going to let it dry. So we're going to continue with the front section of my hair. Also, the brush I'm going to be using is my blow dryer brush, because I really love how this brush out to my hair when I added in my eco styler. So we're going to continue with the front section, and when we're done, I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you guys how the style came out. So to give the top section of my hair a little more height, I added in some bobby pins to the side so I can get the height, because I really think that the top section needed a lift. And I'm going to fluff out the front of my hair also to make sure that my curls are nice and juicy, because I love juicy curls. And I'm also going to be doing my edges. You already know I love doing my edges, and I'm going to be using my Play and Stay edge control. It's one of my favorite edge controls at the moment. I haven't tried anything as yet, but if I try anything new, of course I'm going to let you guys know. So to give my hair a little more glam, a little more excitement to my hairstyle, I'm going to be adding in some hair rings as well. So this is the finished look. If you guys like it, please let me know in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to become part of the family. And just remember, stay beautiful, stay blessed, create magic. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in another one of my videos. Bye.